Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Rashi, and such a special day because, as you can see, I'm not getting married. No, I've not gotten married, and you can easily make out by this look. This look is all about Navratri. This look is all about Durga Puja and celebrating the color red. If you see the tutorial, you will realize that makeup wise I've really not done anything. मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया है. What brings this look together is the accessories, the bindi, the sari. You cannot do without all this, and I'm not gonna waste any time. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video if you really like it, and find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup. And now let's start dressing up. I'm gonna start with the primer, and that is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. For the base, I'm going to start with my concealer, the caramel concealer, as always, and that's going to help me hide my pigmentation, my dark areas. If you can see, I have a good amount of pigmentation. Some you can see some uneven tones over here on my skin, and I think that's just because of aging and putting a lot of makeup. So I'm taking the Maybelline Age Rewind as always. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte and Polish. My shade is 230. If you think we both have the same complexion, you can surely try this shade. It's now time to set my foundation. For that, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I'm using my NYX bronzer. Guys, you must be thinking that I've not really done any highlighting with the concealer, like just the caramel concealer, और फिर उसके ऊपर मैंने फाउंडेशन लगा लिया. मैंने कोई अंडर आई हाईलाइटिंग नहीं की, बिकॉज पर्सनली आई जस्ट फील कि इस लुक में आपको ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. ऑल्सो बिकॉज दिस लुक इज़ ऑल अबाउट द गेट अप, the strong character that you get into when you like I said, when you accessorize, when you wear that sari. So makeup बहुत छोटा पड़ जाता है उस पूरी look में. That's why I'm not doing too much to show you how you can achieve this look. I'm just keeping it very simple and very minimalistic.
Contouring, yes, आप किसी भी look पे कर सकते हैं, चाहे जितना कम makeup क्यों ना हो, because बॉस अपने को तो पतला दिखने से मतलब है.
So I'm using my Huda Beauty palette for the highlighter, and I think highlighter can play a good role in this look, like because we're not doing anything very strong in terms of eyeshadow or इतना complicated eye work नहीं है. दूर से भी खाली like I said हमारा काजल या हमारा liner, strong brows और red lips ही दिखेगा, but there can be a shine on your face, and I think a strong highlighter will really help you achieve that. Blush, I'm going to use Dolly Mix by MAC Cosmetics. ये बहुत ही strong blush है guys, तो इसको बहुत कंट्रोल के साथ लगाने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज ये आपका मुंह बहुत ज़्यादा पिंक कर सकता है. दैट्स बिकॉज द पिगमेंटेशन इज़ वेरी गुड. It's broken. So today I want to make like very strong brows, guys, and that is possible with something as good as the Ka-Brow Benefit. It's a very intense pigment, and it can give you the best coverage for your brows. At least for me, this is one of the strongest products that I use for my brows. When I want to step out or for something very grand. So I think today is a good day to do that. So I think you can clearly see a total transformation happened here after doing my brows. Let's move on to the eyes. Let's just complete them. So I'm not, like I said, I don't want to do any eyeshadow work here, but yes, I want to make my crease deeper. It's just going to make my eyes look bigger. थोड़ी depth आएगी आँखों में. So for what I'm doing is I'm just going to take a brown eyeshadow. You can also take your bronzer, and I'm just going to apply it on the crease and basically just cover my lid with it. But I'm not going to make it too dark. I'm going to apply this brown under my eyes as well, just again for depth purpose only. I just want my eyes to look bigger because I am not going to be applying a kajal. Time now for gel liner. For a change today, I'm not using my liquid liners, my NYX or my K-Beauty liners. I'm going to use my gel liner, and because I want this liner to be pitch black, like that dark, so this is the best option. So लाइफ में बहुत कम दिन होते हैं जब मेरा लाइनर ठीक लगता है, एंड आई थिंक आज माता रानी की कुछ स्पेशल कृपा है कि मेरा लाइनर ठीक लग गया है. This look is 90% done and 10% is just going to be the red lipstick. I'm going to wear my most favoritist, and बहुत कम ओकेजन से मुझे लिपस्टिक लगाने का मौका मिलता है, स्पेशली इन लास्ट 8 months because of the pandemic. We've really not gone out, and I think I've just applied this lipstick like maybe twice just to do a makeup look for YouTube or for my Instagram. So today I think is very auspicious because I'm going to wear this shade, and it's the best red ever. Just apply a good makeup spray so that your makeup stays longer, it melts in your skin, it looks more natural, and use any makeup spray that you have. So that's my sari for today, and let me show you guys. This is a gorgeous sari. It's actually a Bengali sari. Just look at this print. It's hand painted. This is the pallu, and I really wanted to show you. Just look at that. How pretty is this? So yes, it's as traditional as it can be. Guys, this is my final look. I hope you liked it. So like I told you earlier, this look is all about the entire get-up. It's not just about the makeup. If you saw, the makeup that we did was really easy. There was nothing much to do because I knew that the jewelry, the sari, the hair, the bindi are gonna make all the difference to this look. So how did you find this look? If you found it easy and helpful, please do let me know in the comment section below. And Navratri Durga Puja is all about celebrating women and the power of goddess, the power that we have within as women. And I feel very powerful, though this look makes me feel very pretty and very elegant as well, but it also gives me a sense of power that I have as a woman. So I hope you feel the same. Celebrate your womanhood, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.